Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Binance history. Accessing your transaction data is essential for managing your crypto portfolio, especially for tax purposes. We'll walk through the simple steps to download your complete trading and deposit/withdrawal history directly from the Binance platform. This process ensures you have accurate records for any financial reporting or personal analysis you need to perform. Let's dive in and get your data. To begin, log into your Binance account. Once inside, locate the Wallet section, usually found at the top navigation bar. From there, you'll want to select Overview or Fiat and Spot to see your main wallet details. Within this area, you'll find options like Transaction History or Order History, which are your gateways to all past activities. Click on the relevant option to proceed to the next step. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh scent in your vehicle. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and give it a like. Your support helps us create more content like this. Now, let's get back to the video. Once you're on the history page, you'll see options to filter your data. It's important to select the correct date range for your report, whether it's for a specific month, quarter, or an entire year. You can also filter by transaction type, such as deposits, withdrawals, or trades, to get exactly what you need. After setting your filters, simply click the Export or Generate button to download your comprehensive report. Your downloaded file will usually be in a CSV format, which is easily opened with any spreadsheet software like Excel or Google Sheets. This report provides a wealth of information, including the date and time of each transaction, its type, the amount involved, and any associated fees. This detailed data is invaluable for accurate tax calculations, auditing your trading activity, or simply keeping a close eye on your personal financial movements within Binance.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.